Hello my friends, hopefully everyone is doing well. I've got something hopefully new and exciting here from Hephaestus. Look at this cool wooden box that these things came in. Very, very cool. So I'd ordered a pair of shoes from them earlier and was so happy with them that I've ordered a few more. So these are made by my friend Thanh in Vietnam. He does everything by hand, so all handmade, really beautiful work. And since I ordered a few, I'm not sure which one is in here, so it'll be a surprise for me as well. Nice little thank you card here from Hephaestus. And let's see what we've got. Yes, this is his stitch toe shoe. Look how sleek and beautiful this thing is. So this looks like it was done with crushed leather, and so he hand painted this. Love the patina work. Really beautiful. One thing I noticed on his, it really keeps the heel tight to the shoe. Really nice work there. And on the sole here, look at this. So hidden channel, closed channel stitching. And look at this little detail, the scroll work he does along this. Just all the little details, really nice. The stitching up top, really precise. And look at these here, two together. Just absolutely beautiful. And these, I believe, came with lasted shoe trees. Yes, they did. Which is also a nice touch. So absolutely check out Hephaestus shoes made by Thanh in Vietnam. Just amazing work that he's doing there. I'm super impressed, and I'm going to have a few more of these to show you as well. So check them out. I'll tag them in the post as well, and you will see these on my feet very soon. All right.